I'm coming here on YouTube one last time so I can tell you goodbye. I have posted on YouTube daily for 2 years without missing one single day. But tomorrow, there will be no video releasing here. I am stopping the daily upload grind because it allowed me to build multiple projects, such as the Scaling Society, where I'm going to take a small group of sellers that I'm going to help scale their business. And it's starting today, by the way. The group is closed, but we're opening new seats in March, all right? Just remember that. But what is going to happen with the channel? Will I still be posting online somewhere else to help you with your Amazon business? This is what we are going to cover in this video. First of all, why am I stopping daily posting on YouTube? Posting on YouTube daily and managing a community takes time. I'm running an e-commerce business, a coaching business, a software company, and on top of that, I'm posting content daily on here to help you with your Amazon business. Unfortunately, I need to choose. I need to prioritize. I have new projects coming in 2025 that are going to require a ton more time from me, and I need to choose, okay? So in 2 years, I helped a handful of people becoming 7-figure sellers, which means making more than $1 million of sales a year, and a ton more becoming 6-figure sellers. I may be stopping this journey on YouTube here, but I'm not done helping you. And if you want to become my next success story, there's a couple of things that you can do. First, I have a huge library of free content that is better than a ton of paid course out there. You still have access to those videos. If you want to start and scale, start by consuming my free content. Then go to scaling.com and I'm going to show it to you. All right, it's right there, scaling.com. After that, go to scaling.com, book a call with my team to either get one-on-one help from me or save your spot for the next seats that are going to open up in March for the Scaling Society. Do it now, all right? Because it's going to sell out fast. It's definitely going to sell out fast. This one sold out super fast. And to tell you the truth, I'm not leaving YouTube altogether, all right? I'm taking a 2-week break to rework my strategy to make sure I can deliver the best free content out there to help you with your business. And you heard it right. The format is going to change for a little while. We are going to go to only one video a week for a little bit of time. I am hiring a team to help me with my content, and as we learn to work together, we will eventually increase the volume of video we push out to you so you get more videos to learn. While we make sure we have the best content here to help you on your journey on Amazon. That was just the beginning. It was the first season of the show, if you want to call it like this, right? We need to move on, and I'll see you in a couple of days for the start of season 2, all right? Happy New Year!